Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing the unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. These are the wireless Bluetooth headphones, model SX-990. And as with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Carrying case with a little clip you can clip it onto. Pretty smooth zipper. The instruction manual, hopefully you're going to be able to see that okay. Some replacement plastic pieces for your earbuds. The charging cable, it is a standard Android charging cable. And then the earphones themselves. Pretty nice. You've got a phone button on the side here, a volume up, volume down button. Might also be for switching tracks, I'm not sure. They are foldable. They do not fold here in the middle, so you can basically fold each of the earpieces in, but you cannot fold them in the middle. I mentioned that they are retractable. So they do come out. And then you can press the buttons here on the side for them to go back in. This would be where you plug them in. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that. There's a little closed charging port. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.